5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Everything's coming together, and hope you guys enjoy. What's good? It's your boy Curry Mac back with another video. And today I went to Hershey Park. It was, it's always a good time when you go to Hershey Park. If you haven't gone, check it out. Ever in Pennsylvania, it's probably like the best thing you can go to. But I wanted to upload. See, I only brought my phone and I was kind of scared to like use it on a couple rides. So I wanted to use it for the I think it was called the Laff Trakk Pub or something, the indoor roller coaster. And my overall review of it is it's fun. If you have kids, it'd definitely be like worth it. I was with my cousins and like nephews and stuff, so it was okay. But for how long the line was, I don't know if it would totally be worth it. Like, we waited over an hour easy, and I mean, the ride's fun. You guys will see here in a second, but oh my god,
that's kind of tiny.
look at them bad boys. Oh no. What is this? Oh, this is kind of creepy. It says whoops. Oh! Too big for this. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright guys, so that's the video. Nothing crazy. I don't know how long it was. Probably like definitely less than a minute, but it's about basic for rides. But it's still, like I said, it's pretty cool for kids. It was a little freaky because you can either be, if you could tell, it's either you're facing like forward or backwards, and then it spins. So when I first started, I was backwards, and I didn't know like how the ride was going. So it was kind of interesting. But comment down below what you guys think of the ride, and if you guys have any recommendations for any other rides at Hershey Park. I mean, I think the top two are probably Storm Runner and Great Bear, but that's just my opinion. And Lightning Racer is always one of my favorites because you can get on it so quick. So if you're ever in Pennsylvania, go to Hershey Park, ride Lightning Racer because you can get on a bunch of times. It's a wooden roller coaster. It's a little bumpy, but it's still fun. The Great Bear, you kind of like sit in that one and you hang. And then Storm Runner, you go like 70 miles per hour. It's pretty cool. You like launch. I think those are like the top rides, I would say. And yeah, so hope you guys kind of enjoyed this short video, but that's about it. Um, Comment, like, and subscribe. Curry Mac out.